Welcome to our Microsoft Word tutorial. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, you're in the right place. Today, we are going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started with Microsoft Word. Let's dive in. First, let's open Microsoft Word. It's simple, just click on the Start menu, search for Microsoft Word, and click on the app to open it. Once it's open, you'll see a blank document, ready for you to start typing. Now that we have Word open, let's take a quick look at the interface. At the top, we have the title bar, which shows the name of your document. Below that is the ribbon with tabs like Home, Insert, and Layout. This is where you'll find most of your tools. The document area is where you'll type your content, and the status bar shows important information like your page number and word count. To get started, simply click anywhere in the document and start typing. Your words will appear where the cursor is. If you make a mistake, just hit the backspace key to delete, or use delete to remove text after the cursor. Next, let's format some text. Want to change the font? Highlight the text you want to change, go to the Home tab, and select a font style from the drop-down menu. You can also change the font size in the same area. Need to make your text stand out? You can make it bold, italic, or underline by simply selecting the text and clicking on the respective buttons in the font group on the Home tab. Aligning your text is super easy. Select your text, and in the paragraph group, you'll see alignment options left, center, right, and justified. Just click on the one you need. Want to adjust the space between lines? Highlight your text, then click on the line and paragraph spacing button to choose your desired spacing, like 1.5 or double-spaced. If you are working with lists, Microsoft Word makes it simple. Highlight the text you want to turn into a list and click on the bullets or numbering button in the paragraph group. You'll see a neat list right away. To add page numbers, go to the Insert tab, click on Page Number, and select where you want the numbers to appear. If you need to start a new page, just click on Insert again and choose Page Break. To change the layout of your document, go to the Layout tab. Here, you can adjust the margins and switch between portrait and landscape orientation to suit your needs. Want to add visuals to your document? Click on the Insert tab and choose Pictures to add an image. You can also insert tables to organize information. Just go to Insert, click Table, and select the size of your table. Need help with spelling and grammar? No worries. Just go to the Review tab and click on Spelling and Grammar. Word will check your document for errors. If you are looking for a better word, right-click and select Synonyms to find alternatives. Before you finish, don't forget to save your work. Click on the File tab, select Save As, and choose a location to save your document. When you are ready to print, go to File, then Print, and select your printer. And that's it. You are now ready to create, edit, and format your documents like a pro in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helped you get started with Microsoft Word. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you in the next video.